All right, we're gonna prep our dog's meals. So the first thing that you would do is heat water, and I've got my water nice and high in the kettle. And then we're gonna take 2 scoops of our Dr. Harvey's base mix here. And then we'll take the water and just pour enough water to rehydrate all of it. I like to think of it like an oatmeal consistency. I don't really measure that. Okay, and we'll just stir that up. And you want to give it some time to rehydrate. And then what we have today is we have liver, beef liver, and these are all cut up into like 1 ounce pieces. So we'll turn our scale on, take a piece. So our goal is to get up to 7 ounces. So I've got the liver, and then I'm gonna take my beef mix and do about 5, get up to 5 ounces with this. And then I'm gonna take tripe and finish off our 7 ounces with the tripe. All right, we're a little over, but that is okay. And then you need to take an oil. I just have basic olive oil and do about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And that's it, that's a meal. And I'll go ahead and mix it up for them and make sure that the Dr. Harvey's gets nice and rehydrated. And that's breakfast.